Assalamu alaikum, grade 1, and welcome to your social studies class. Today, we will be starting with a new topic, that is, how can we keep ourselves neat and clean? Okay, so we will be talking about cleanliness. So, tell me what comes in your mind when you heard this term or when you look at this term. Yes, what does this mean to you? Cleanliness. No dirt, no garbage, okay, no stains, excellent, no germs, very well done. So, if we collectively make a definition for cleanliness, how do we define it as? That cleanliness means keeping yourself and the area around you neat and clean, right? So, cleanliness is not only limited to yourself, that you should be neat and clean. No, beside that, the area around you, the area where you live, where you work, where you eat, should be neat and clean. So, before moving forward, let's start with the reading of your book, page number 21. First, we will do the reading and then we will move forward and discuss all of these things. So, Zara says that to stay healthy, we must be clean because cleaning is very important for our good health. So, germs live in dirty places and germs can make us sick. If we do not keep ourselves and our area neat and clean, then there would be a lot of germs around us and they will make us sick. We must keep ourselves clean. We must keep the things around us clean as well. And here are some ways to keep ourselves clean. Let's say if I ask you guys that how you start your day, so what is the first thing that you do when you get up? Yes, to brush your teeth. Excellent. And this is very important. Then you wash your hands, you wash your face, and then you comb your hairs, you get up, you ready yourself, and then you come out of your room, right? So this is the way that we start our day, and this is very important. This is very good. Why? Because this makes us feel good and fresh, right? Okay. So the activities, it says that wash your hands after using the toilet. This is very important. Brush your teeth in the morning and before you go to bed, in the morning and in the night as well. Have a bath every day and use soap for that as well, because it would remove all type of germs from your body. And cut your nails every week. Okay, let's say if you wash your hands on regular basis and you keep yourself neat and clean, but you do not cut your nails, then it would not make you healthy. Why? Because when you have big nails and when you eat food, the germs, they also go into your stomach with that food and then it makes you sick. So make a ritual, make a habit of cutting your nails on every Friday, because it's sunnah. So you will do two things together. You will follow the sunnah as well and you will keep yourself clean as well. Okay. So now I'm going to share a picture, show you a picture of you. See, there is this boy. On one side, he's very neat and clean, and on the other side, there's this picture in which the boy is dirty. The clean one have a cute smile on his face. Why? Because he's feeling good and fresh. Why? Because he's clean, right? And the dirty one has a very sad face. Why? Because the area around him is not clean. His clothes are not clean. His face is not clean. So he's not feeling good. This is what I was telling you, that when you keep yourself neat and clean, it does not makes you physically fit but mentally fit as well. See, if the area where I'm sitting right now, where I'm working, if it would not be neat and clean, I would not feel fresh. I would not feel like working. But when you yourself are clean and the area around you are clean, you feel good about it. You want to work, you want to play, you want to eat, right? Similarly, now I'm showing you some of the activities, some of the rituals that we should follow on daily basis to keep ourselves neat and clean. Oral hygiene, brushing your teeth is very important. Bathing ritual, we have talked about this. Hair care is also very important. You see, if you do not, you care about all other things, but you do not comb your hair, you will not look clean. So this is also very important. Foot hygiene is also important, especially when you come home, back from somewhere from outside. You should also always wash your feet. Then toilet hygiene is also very important. Always flush whenever you use toilet. Then hand hygiene, and one important thing is coughing and sneezing hygiene. Whenever you cough or sneeze, you should cover your mouth with something, either your hands, with a tissue paper, right? With a napkin, so that it does not spread germs, right? And then home hygiene. Well, under the home hygiene comes a lot of things. To keeping your room neat and clean, keeping your garden neat and clean, keeping your garage, your car, your kitchen. Sorry, everything neat and clean, right? Now I'm going to share the screen with you. There is this interesting video for you, and that will reinforce the concept of cleanliness. So show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Okay. Okay. Is this visible? Excellent.
Hey kids, we use our hands every day on different things and different objects, which is dirty. We throw up our trash, do things in the house all the time. We play around and use our hands for different things. So we should always wash our hands and keep them clean. Every day, all the time, we should keep washing our hands.
Okay, so very important message which is delivered in the video is that the things, the different types of things, the gadgets that you use on daily basis are not only used by you but a lot of other people as well, and you are not aware of their hygiene, their cleanliness. So whenever you use something, especially outside your home, do wash your hands, because in order to avoid the spreading of germs, in order to avoid getting sick. So whenever you use something, do wash your hands, right? Okay, so that was all for today. What we did, we talked about what is cleanliness, how we can keep ourselves clean, or what are some basic activities that we should follow on daily basis to keep ourselves neat and clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning, and inshallah in tomorrow's class we will be talking about the importance of cleanliness. Okay, so see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.